Welcome to the Throttle channel that brings an alluring motor vehicle experience. Today we bring a comprehensive review of the Peugeot 308 where we will unveil the power and performance of this incredible vehicle. The Peugeot 308 is a true masterpiece, combining cutting-edge technology with a sleek and stylish design. When it comes to power, the Peugeot 308 does not disappoint. Its 1.6-liter turbocharged engine delivers an impressive 177 horsepower, allowing you to experience exhilarating acceleration and a thrilling driving experience. But it's not just about power, the Peugeot 308 also offers exceptional fuel efficiency. With its advanced engine technology, you can enjoy long drives without constantly worrying about visiting the gas station. Let's not forget about the impressive handling of the Peugeot 308. Its precise steering and agile suspension system ensure that every corner is taken with confidence and precision, making every drive a joyous experience. Inside the Peugeot 308, you'll find a spacious and luxurious cabin that prioritizes comfort and convenience. The ergonomically designed seats provide excellent support, while the advanced infotainment system ensures that you stay connected and entertained on the go. Safety is paramount in the Peugeot 308, and it comes equipped with a range of advanced safety features to keep you and your loved ones protected. From its innovative collision avoidance system to its intelligent cruise control, this vehicle has got you covered. To summarize, the Peugeot 308 is a powerful, efficient, comfortable, and safe vehicle that offers an exceptional driving experience. Whether you're cruising on the open roads or tackling the city streets, this car is guaranteed to impress. Thank you for watching our comprehensive review of the Peugeot 308. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Stay tuned for our next review.